Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 11th of March. This is our midweek stock market update. I hope you're all doing well. You follow me here and subscribe to my channel. Let's talk about what's going on here in the SPY. And boy, it's not easy here. It's time to be very careful here. We had that big reversal on Monday off after being down big over the weekend, overnight on Sunday, right? Huge reversal, engulfed the previous day's Friday's action. And then yesterday we tried to get follow through and failed. And today we just have had no power really in either direction very much. Part of the problem, what's going on right now, is we're getting hit with headlines, and this market is gyrating on these little headlines. You can see this down move here, another down move here, based upon different comments coming out of the administration, or this or that, or whatever, or whoever it is that's speaking. And that's not an easy environment to trade in, and that's really what's important. The message is not about the headlines; it's about the environment to trade in, and it's very difficult to trade in that environment. You have to be more careful. So for me, it's a size down. I'm not looking to add long-term risk at this point. We'll see. But overall, can't get back and hold the 8 day now. And we've been under the 8 day, closed under it now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sessions here, unless we have a miracle on the SPY. The VIX is saying very elevated. It's in the Bollinger Bands, but remaining very elevated up around this 25 area. Crude continues to hold high, but staying under 90. If it starts to break above 90 again, it could signify more problems. What's interesting is when crude was running last week, energy was weak. Energy with a nice little bounce today. ExxonMobil, Chevron, Devon Energy, Oxy, your normal leaders there are pushing. The financials remain very weak, and that's a big component of the market, and it's not making things easy. XBI today, not much going on there in biotech. HIMS, by the way, has had a nice couple move off that Novo Nordisk coming in and basically saving their butt after almost putting them out of business. Retail names like Costco, Walmart, Target, nothing going on. So what is going on here? Bitcoin as well, can't, trying to hold this 70K break. It's all over the place. The strength in this market continues to be in the semis, and this is a change in character, but you've had a nice 3 day move in the semis. The semis are still green while the markets are red today. And we've gone back to Micron, SanDisk, Western Digital, right? We've gone right back into the same names that were leading us here. At the same time, Intel has resumed a nice move again, nice 3 day move here and breaking above this range and looks much better. Nvidia is holding today. It's still green. It's still up on the day. Bounced off the 21 day early on a dip and it's holding there. AMD is mostly green as well. So continue to see strength in there. Oracle last night, it was a good report. It wasn't good enough to get an explosive move. Now, don't get yourself wrong. They were 148. They're up nicely at 162 area here, but they couldn't hold the 50 day, and that's the area that's going to need to be on watch if this one's going to move. We caught a nice little trade on that one out of the gate this morning. Palantir overall remains quiet and weak. IGV here not, coming in again. I like that software for a buy. What again I'm looking for here is a higher low. I'd like to see IGV come down, maybe come some downward into somewhere in this 80 area, just using that as a rough number, and then look for a move off of that. Big cap tech, Microsoft, nothing going on there today. Amazon been pretty much weak right after the open. Meta, same thing. Yesterday, that nice candle. Google as well. Briefly tried to break above yesterday's high, but couldn't hold it. Apple remains completely out of play. For all you guys who are interested in Netflix, um, Netflix finally under the 8 day and pulling back here. And then there's Tesla. Tesla gave a beautiful trade today. We caught it here. I hope in the room caught it. It was smothered in call buying, right? You can see up here 9 time calls alerts, and it pushed and it pushed and it pushed. And as it started to push into the highs where I got out of it up to somewhere in here, I don't remember exactly where. Then you got this move down. And then the puts started coming in. You can see 6 time put alerts on it too. And the flow changed. And that was just it was signifying that the trade was over. Important to notice about Tesla here is it still is not above the 21 day. It has tried again today and failed. It's tried a couple times. This is a big spot. If we can get some power above here, there might be something to do with it. We have path after the close tonight. Tomorrow is a pretty quiet day from an economic perspective. We had CPI today that came in completely in line. Unfortunately, it's still higher than where the Fed wants it at 2.3% year over year, 0.3% month over month. Tomorrow, again, jobless claims, housing permits, nothing. And then we have GDP and PCE on Friday morning. So everybody have a great night. I'll catch you guys live in the room in the morning. I hope everybody's well. If you'd like to join us, link in description below.